Welcome to Go Mandarin Grammar.
华语语法战士。
In this video, we're going to review resultative complements with
好。
Resultative complements come right after the verb, and there are many resultative complements, such as
玩
to complete,
会
to be able to,
懂
to understand. In this video, we'll talk about
好
one of the resultative complements, which indicates the action preceding
好
has been completed. Before we look at the example, let me remind you that
了
is almost always placed after the complement, also to mean something has been completed. The negative form of resultative complements
没
is used as a negator. It's easier to learn with sentences, so let's look at an example. This is a cooking competition. Look, the red team has finished the meal. What did the cook say? Use the pattern above. Verb plus
好
plus
了
exactly. She said that
晚餐做好了
I finished cooking dinner. However, the other team, the blue team, hasn't. What did that cook say? Use the pattern above.
没
Plus verb plus
好
the cook said,
晚餐没做好
I haven't finished cooking dinner. That's right. Now it's your time to face some of our challenges. Here are some situations. Can you figure out the correct sentences? This is the first one. Look at the picture. The man looks at the menu, thinking about what he's going to have. A while later, his friend asks him if he's ready to order.
想好了吗？打算吃什么？
Have you decided what to have? What are you going to eat? The man is now ready to order. Thus, he says to the woman,
想好了
I've decided. Look at this example. The lady has been busy taking care of her baby, so she hasn't slept well. Her friend sees the black circles under her eyes and asks her what's going on with her. How does the lady respond? She says,
整个晚上我都没睡好
I didn't sleep well at all last night. That's right. Use
没
didn't to negate
睡好
sleep well. So,
没睡好
means didn't sleep well. Here's one final point. Look at the child. What is he doing?
那个小孩在收玩具
That child is cleaning up the toys. Look at the picture again. Has the child cleaned up the toys?
那个小孩收好玩具了
That child has cleaned up the toys. Excellent. You've now learned the resultative complement.
好
See you at the next lesson.